Hi everybody, I'm Shelley Larson from the Museum of Danish America, and I'm excited to share with you something we have going on here at the museum this month, Gift Membership November. Maybe you have somebody that you would like to acknowledge or thank in a special way. Maybe there's somebody you've always wanted to share the museum with them. Or maybe you're doing some Christmas shopping and you're looking for a special gift for someone. Well, consider a gift membership from the museum. We'll bring the wonders of the museum and our amazing collections to them through our virtual resources. We'll share stories of artifacts and stories of Danish immigrants to America through our members-only magazine, America Letter, which we publish 3 times a year. And we'll connect with them through Facebook, through YouTube, and they'll receive our e-newsletter, which we send out every month. They'll enjoy all the benefits of membership, like these extraordinary exhibitions, whether they see them on site or online. They'll receive special invitations to special events like gallery talks, or how about that event we have coming up at the end of month, our symphony watch party for members only. Have you RSVP'd? And they'll receive discounts when they make purchases in our gift shop or when they use services at our genealogy center. And on top of that, they'll receive exclusive privileges at museums and historical sites nationwide. And I really do think it's a gift that they'll thank you all year long when they receive it. And we'll thank you for your generous purchase because it supports the museum. Now, what about this gift membership November? How does it work? Well, if you arrange for a gift membership during the month of November, you automatically receive a gift from us, the Skål Scandinavian Spirits Catalog, which is the heritage of beer and aquavit through stories, traditions, and recipes. And you'll receive this gift and you'll have the option to either keep it or gift it. And if you would like to gift it, we'll wrap it nicely and send it to the gift membership recipient, and they'll know it's a special gift from you. And you can arrange for gift memberships online, on site, or by phone, and if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. So thank you so much for clicking today, and most of all, thank you for your support of the museum. We really do appreciate you.